Today we are diving into one of my very favorite topics, how to refresh your planner for the spring. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I don't know about you, but there's just something about the changing season makes me want to freshen up all the things. I want to freshen up my space, I want to freshen up my closet, and I want to freshen up my planner. This goes a little bit deeper than your typical setup for the month. We're going to do a little bit of spring cleaning in our planner today. Not only am I going to be sharing some tips to give your planner a little spring refresh, I'm also going to give you a little sneak peek of all of the amazing things coming up on Patreon over in the month of March. We are focusing on spring cleaning, our space, our planner, our creativity, and having fun with the color Pretty in Pink. And I cannot wait to tell you more. All right, let's dive in to refreshing our planner for the spring. Okay, the first step to any spring refresh, whether it be your space or your planner, is to do a little bit of decluttering. That's what we're going to do in here. We're going to take some time, remove some of the old inserts that I'm not using, and make some space. I'm actually thinking that I'm going to change up my discs to expander discs. So we're going to do that. You're going to remove old inserts, old Post-its, old dashboards, things that you are not wanting to use in the next season. Let's declutter. Let's get all of that out so we have kind of a fresh start. A lot of times I like to have like a checklist of sorts to keep handy. That way I know what I've taken out, what I will add back in. So if you want to do something, if you want to keep a list over on the side, maybe a Post-it note of what didn't work, that's a great thing to be able to refer back to later on when you're updating your planner in additional time. All right, so I'm going to take a second. Let's go through and change out the discs, take out the old clutter, and kind of start fresh. Before we get started on destashing, I want to show you that these planner charms that I sell in my shop actually do fit on expander discs. I've had that question before, and they do easily loop through the heart on an expander discs. All right, so many of us live in our planners. Like we have our planners, they do all the things for us. We're tracking all the habits, all the schedules, planning and having creative time. They're just all the things. And they kind of can become like a catch-all junk drawer. You might have a ton of extra Post-it notes. You might have pieces of paper just slipped into your planner. If you have a pocket of some sort in your planner, maybe it has gathered extra things. I know it's like that time when you clean out your purse. For me, every time I go to the airport, I tend to clean out my purse. That's kind of my trigger. And I'm always amazed at the things I find. You'll be amazed at what you find in your planner. Take a little time just to go through and take out what you don't need or what you don't plan to use in the next season. We also have different needs for different seasons. Perhaps you have some different things you're planning for in the winter as opposed to the spring. This is time to kind of take account of that and thin out what you have. You only want the pieces in your planner that you're truly going to use and that truly bring you joy. Okay, speaking of decluttering, we have a decluttering challenge that is happening for my pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple tiers of Patreon starting in March. We have a spring cleaning checklist, and it is going to be available each week of the month of March, and it has very, very specific things, more things to declutter, very specific things to take you through your planner and your creative space. It's a 3-day challenge per week. So 3 out of 7 days, it tells you what to do, how to refresh, what to throw out. And I'm really, really excited about it. These are printables that are going to be released every Saturday, the month of March, again, for all of the rainbow tiers over on Patreon. And I love that it's just very targeted to help you really refresh your space. I feel like cleaning out our planners, cleaning out our creative spaces is kind of a never-ending thing. And this is going to be a targeted look at kind of refreshing your space and spring cleaning, getting it all ready for the coming year, or for the coming spring coming year. We are already into March. Are you kidding me? It is crazy. So March is right around the corner. I'm excited to spend the month doing some spring cleaning. Okay, so now that we've cleared some space in our planner and or made new space by adding bigger discs, now it's time to add in some fun pops of spring, and that is usually through color. I love pink. We are going to embrace pink, and I'm going to add some pops of color, not through my planner spreads, which we will typically do, and you'll see a lot more Plan With Me's coming up, but I'm wanting to change out my tabs. So I was using these sticky tabs. They work fabulous. They don't take up a lot of room. But I want to change it up, and I have this great big collection of all of these note, what do you call them, bookmarks and dividers and things like that, that I want to add in. So we're going to pick a few that we can add in and bring little pops of fun into our planner. Let's do it. Okay, so far we've decluttered our planner. We've added some pops of color. Then the next thing we want to do is figure out how we can make sure it's organized for efficiency. A lot of us started out the year with a lot of things in our planner, and it might be time to update the order, check out your layout, make sure it's still working for you. This is your chance to kind of reassess everything. So I know for sure that these monthly layouts work fabulously for me. I'm going to keep those. For my weekly layouts, I am still, that's my monthly, and then I'm still loving, you guys. I love the checklist layout. It is working for me. I like it. I want to keep it. That's a for sure. So that one's check. Maybe your layout that you chose isn't as functional as you thought, or you need more space, or whatever the case may be. This is time to check and maybe update your planner for these spring months. Daily is still working. Wellness is the next one that I am going to be reconsidering. I do love my fitness layout, and it is something that I've been using. However, I don't like it being separated. I have fitness and then I have wellness. I don't like the two being separated. I kind of wish they were on the same layout for me in this season. So that's something I'm considering changing up in my next planner update for the month of March. So stay tuned for that. But that's one where I know on the side, like that's a post-it note. I want to check on that. Otherwise, journaling is working great. I have a section for moving. I have a section for notes. I have a section for my word of the year. All of that is fabulous. So I want to just keep all of that as it is. In the month of March, my Patreon focus will dive even deeper into the subject. We're going to refresh our planners. Like I said, we're going to dive deeper into organizing our spaces so that they will inspire some creativity and get us rejuvenated for the spring season. I'm so excited for the weather to start to get a little bit warmer, for the flowers to come out, and we're going to prepare for that by freshening up our planners and our spaces and clearing out that declutter and getting pumped as a community to jump into spring. Speaking of Patreon, let me give you a little sneak peek about what is coming up in the month of March. Our theme is Spring into Organization, Pretty in Pink Planning, and it's going to be packed with so much goodness. There's one thing about taking on an organization project or trying to revamp your space. Doing it on your own can be really hard and really lonely. Working through these things as a community is so uplifting and so encouraging. We're going to be there to celebrate each other's wins. We're going to be there to support each other and give each other grace, or remind each other to give ourselves grace when things go a little awry. And in the end, I am so excited to see how everyone is able to transform their space, transform their planners, and get reset for the spring. Some things we're going to be focusing on in the month of March: decluttering and organizing your planner, decorating with soft spring inspired colors. Pretty in pink is going to be part of the theme. And then we're going to bring in some fresh creative energy into our spaces to organize, reorganize, refresh. And I think it's going to be a fabulous month. Whether you're looking for inspiration, challenges, or exclusive content, Patreon is the place to be. A few reminders: pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple tiers all have access to our beautiful Create Book printables. We have been having so much fun with the Create Book all year. It's like a creative workbook. One of my patrons described it as like highlights for adults, and I'm here for that because it is so fun to work through all the different prompts, and March is going to be no different. It's going to be so fun. So that's for all of the rainbow colored tiers. Pink will also have access to those weekly printables that I showed you, that decluttering checklist to help you work through your space in the month of March. Starting at the yellow tier is where you receive exclusive video content. That's 2 exclusive videos each and every week throughout the entire month that will take you through a wide array of planning tips, art journaling, faith journaling, organization, all the things happening in the exclusive content starting at the yellow tier. The green tier is where you then have access to Zooms, live streams. A lot of community building happens starting at the green tier. And that is the tier where you also receive exclusive sticker sheets. They are mailed to you each and every month, 4 exclusive sticker sheets to refresh your planner. The blue and purple tier not only receive those sticker sheets, but they receive the Create Book. The Create Book that is professionally printed. They get that version, and they get a bonus gift item each and every month. That's a fun little surprise. And then, of course, the purple tier is the tier that receives custom planner spreads from me every month. All right, so what are you doing to refresh your planner this spring? Let me know down in the comments, and let me know, do you have a big decluttering project ahead of you for your craft space, for parts of your house? I would love to hear what spring cleaning tasks you have coming up this spring. If you want to take your planner refresh and your craft room refresh to the next level, come join us over on Patreon for the month of March. You can head over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find out more info. Everything is going to kick off March the 1st. As always, thank you so much for being here and for being an amazing supportive community over here on YouTube. I do want to give a huge shout out to my current Patreon members. We've already had a fantastic year, and there's some pretty amazing things coming up. So I'm so thankful for each and every one of you as well. All right. I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.